Makes it easy because you'll see the compression horn, this will screw on. Overall diameter, I'm just going to hook up one to give you an idea.
You can see it before you buy it.
Hey, it's Big Jeff coming to you with another unboxing. We're getting into the tweeters and drivers. Compression horns, okay? B2 audio. Hey, hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't done it. Follow us wherever you're watching on. We transmit these on so many different pages, and we love to have you follow along. Hit that bell so you know when there's another one coming out. So we're talking about the RAGECDR. Now it comes two boxes. I think in the future we're definitely gonna somehow combine these. But $119.95. These come in a pair, correct?
Yes.
Nice. So in this box, you get the actual screw-on trim ring with the B2 Audio logo. Okay, let's do this. There we go. This makes it easy because you'll see the compression horn. You just need to drill out the hole and then twist that on. So these right here already have the base blocker, or capacitor, whatever you want to call it. And then this will twist on just like that. Kind of cool. Okay. We're definitely going to hook this up. Hear this. For $119.95 for a set. Wow, not a bad deal. Now, these do not have the extended 2-year warranty because we do have replacement diaphragms. Very easy to replace. Allen wrench, 4 bolts, pop off, replace, done. Okay, so let's look at some of this. This is a 4 ohm, 105 dB. Nice. 2.5K to 20 kilohertz, 4 ohms, and you only need 40 watts of power. These really take off past 1K, looking at the frequency chart. Now, so you're gonna need to have a hole that's about 1.3 inches for the shaft to go in, okay? And then this will screw on. Overall diameter, which makes it very easy to use, is right at 3 inches. So 3 inches here, screws on. And obviously, why is it so small? It is neodymium. Let's start on the Big Jeff cam.
Big Jeff cam activated.
Big Jeff cam. So you can see how small this thing is. It's a neo magnet. Voice coil very small. You have a 2.25 capacitor on there, and then simple ring. So drill this hole. Or actually take that back, because the way you would do it, and just screw this in like that. So there's ways you can mount this, but it is 2 pieces. Could you paint this? Yeah, you'd lose the logo, but I'm sure it could be scuffed up. The rest of this is aluminum, and it's a neodymium magnet. And let's see here. RMS is only 20 watts. Very efficient, 40 watts max. 2.5 to 20 kilohertz, 105 dB. Voice coil is 1 inch. Pretty simple, super light. Let's see how this thing sounds. Let's go take it over the bench. And I'm just gonna hook up one to give you an idea. All right, let's go ahead and put that on, put this on, leave that there. And I'm gonna leave the amp on, well, we can leave it on full range. Put it on high pass. Oh, we're gonna change out for some non-copyrighted music right here. Love our video room, test bench, whatever you want to call it. Grab the Big Jeff cam.
Big Jeff cam activated.
All right, we're definitely giving it over about 20 watts for sure. That is pretty crisp and clear. So it's really hard doing the videos and the songs to really tell. When you have a woofer moving, you can see it vibrate. That's different. But a set of these for $120. Very crisp, very clear. Not much room at all. Gonna be a great add-on to any like the Riot P or the Rage to get you those really highs at the upper frequencies above 2.5K. So you get a set of these. We have replacement diaphragms, not that expensive. So a couple different ratings I'm seeing here. I know you guys heard me say 105 dB. We're going off of the most recent updated, and it is on the paperwork. That is why it is very efficient, very loud with low power. Maybe 20 watts going at that thing at the time. I'm sure it'll take more. I didn't want to push it without actually tuning it. But great add-on for any kind of loudspeaker. You want those highs. Okay, so this is the RAGECDR. You can catch it on v2audiousa.com or bigjeffaudio.com. Get yourself a set. Try them out. For $120, you're not going to go wrong. Remember, they are 4 ohm. This is a compression driver with horn, and it is a neo magnet. So for that price, that's a pretty good deal. I'm Big Jeff. Sign off with another unboxing. I'll see you on the next one.